Hello everyone. Today I am going to share some interesting facts about endometriosis. Fact number 1, endometriosis is not the endometrium. In endometriosis, we find endometrium-like tissue outside the uterine cavity, hormonally similar to endometrium, but it is not the endometrium. Fact number 2, endometriosis can be found anywhere in the body. Yes, you heard it right. Endometriosis is generally seen commonly around uterus and ovaries, but it can be seen even on colon, urinary bladder, lungs, liver, and even to the brain, very rarely. Fact number 3, endometriosis pain may not always correlate proportionately with the stages of the endometrium. Now we stage the endometrium into 4 stages. Stage 1 being minimal endometriosis, to stage 4 with the bilateral endometrioma and a widespread endometriosis. Stage 1 endometriosis, we might think that the pain will be lesser, but it may so happen that the stage 1 endometriosis patients might have a severe kind of a pain with the chronic pelvic pain, and the stage 4 endometriosis patient might not suffer with that severity of the pain as expected. So don't be worried with the stages of the endometrium and your pain correlation intensity. Fact number 4, just mere the diagnosis of endometriosis does not make you infertile. Yes, we can find approximately 30 to 50% of the patients who are suffering with endometriosis might suffer with infertility. But there will be associated disorders sometimes like PCOS, fibroids, adenomyosis, which could be the contributing factors to infertility. So it is important to remember, just mere diagnosis of endometriosis does not make you infertile. Fact number 5, there is no cure to endometriosis. Sadly, it is true that we can only treat the condition, but we cannot cure the condition completely. Of course, there are different treatment modalities available. Most of the time, the laparoscopic surgical excision of endometrioma may relieve the pain related to endometriosis, but sometimes we may have to offer a hormonal treatment for a longer period of time, maybe as long as 18 to 24 months, for the prevention of recurrence of endometriosis and for the pain suppression. Also, we may have to use NSAIDs for the painkiller effect on the endometriosis. So it is not one size fits for all in case of endometriosis. We have to tailor-make the treatment as per the patient's age, as per the patient's symptomatology, as per the patient's fertility requirement, and we have to take into consideration of all these factors along with the symptoms what she is present with and along with the stages of the endometriosis. Now, all you beautiful women out there, get empowered with the knowledge of endometriosis and let us fight against the endometriosis. Thank you.